internet TV bij internet en tot 6 maanden gratis.
In which direction, my friend?
Just straighten out, baby. You're just like straighten the wheel.
Okay. Well, I'm having to carve a pretty gnarly gap here, bro.
Well, what do you want to do?
I'm gonna go through the gap, and then I'll go in the direction you tell me to go.
Okay. And then at what point does Jonathan Colton play?
Let's watch our tone there, first mate.
Well, I'm just wondering.
Well, guess what, Travis? Do you see Jonathan Colton anywhere in the video game?
Hold on, let me look. No. Damn.
Take down, scrambling, and you'll see the hands of Benitez come up, and the fingers here go in his mouth, and Jason bites down at them. He bites his fingers, you know, why not? Here you go again, right in his gob, and he bites them, you know. Benitez obviously screaming in pain. You can't bite me.
When you're orange and not particularly clever, but by God you are captivated by door frames, and good heavens, I do believe I have located another door frame. This must be my lucky day. But wait, Jackson, are you seeing what I am seeing? Bear witness, Jackson, for I have discovered a third door frame, and mark my words, it is the most beautiful one that ever I have seen. Oh, how I yearn for it, Jackson. You must hoist me higher. Oh, how spectacular. And would you look at that? That is something called a door, and indeed it is splendid, but we mustn't lose focus, Jackson. We must concentrate on the task at hand, and the task at hand is this door frame. What great fortune we have found today.
Frankie.